Hey, I'm Kaz and I'm going to show you how to make these super cute resin flower coasters. So you'll need some clear epoxy resin, which you can start to pour a thin layer of in the bottom of your coaster mold. There's so many coaster molds around readily available. I'm just using these simple circle shapes. Start to pop your dried flowers into the mold on top of this thin layer. As long as they're dry, you can use anything. Just nothing too thick, something that fits nicely into your coaster mold, and just start to arrange them how you think they'll look cool. I'm using some bits of metallic flakes in mine as well, but it's just personal choice, whatever you think will look pretty. And just remember, this is the back side of your mold. Once this side has started to go tacky or set, you can choose to put a backing colour on, and I've used an opaque pink colour. So once that's set, give it a tap, make sure you can demold your coasters. Eek! They look so pretty. I'm really pleased with them. You might find there's some little sharp bits around the edge at the base of your coaster which you can just pick off while the resin is still soft, and you can even just grab a piece of fine sandpaper and just get that sharp edge off. What do you think? I think they're so cute. I'm really happy with them. I really hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. Come find me on Instagram at Gem Lettuce Jewellery. Comment below. See you soon.